Right, I've got a Samsung SM-T560. It came in with not charging, not turning on. Common problems with these are the batteries are dead, or battery's gone on a sleep mode, or battery's been overcharged and it's killed. Whatever it is, we're going to find out. Sometime I've come across with these batteries have been shorted. What I've done is I've put this on the bench to try and jump start the battery, and what it did is it quickly was drawing over 2.2 amp. Yes, 2.2 amp. It has dropped quite significantly now within the last couple of minutes of me sort of leaving it plugged in, but the current was set at 2.5 amp. One of the CCC was current protection, whatever it is. This I can't remember the exact term for it. That came about basically just shorting it a bit on the basis of not enough current being supplied to the battery's demand. So it required, I think, 2.3 amp, which is a lot. So I'm hoping that the battery should revive. As you can see that the number is dropping down as it comes to nearest to the 0. That means that the battery is fully charged. I can connect it on. Now remember, when you do connect the battery, sometime it will show up as 50%. You'll have to physically charge the battery through your tablet charger basically. So that's that. Yes, when I initially plugged in without dismantling the unit, on the amp meter on the bench power supply was drawing, set at 5 volt, it was drawing 0.458 amp basically. So just under half a amp it was drawing, but there was no display, not charging the battery at all. So yeah, let's see what happens, but that's how I would normally tackle the issues as such. I know that it's going to work. We'll just have to wait for that to sort of drop down to nearest to the 0 basically. All right, well, take care and bye for now.